no. As a woman.
Oh, I like that way of thinking.
You mean you want to be on the show forever?
Yes.
So did Louis. Good luck.
Is this the intro? What is she singing?
And I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
MC Baba, Ubulele Banani.